ConditionLine constantly monitors and analyzes the condition of the machine and detects irregularities in operation at an early stage. The focal points of automatic condition monitoring are all components that affect precision or frequently cause stoppages. With ConditionLine, you can prevent and avoid time-consuming and costly downtime and production losses, and schedule maintenance and repair work in a way that suits you. Data is recorded, aggregated, and processed directly on the machine. Further to this, ConditionLine can also be expanded locally into the client's infrastructure or by means of data transfer via RemoteLine. You determine the degree of networking, and you always have complete control of your data. For a proactive maintenance strategy, maintenance and repairs can be planned in a targeted manner. ConditionLine also forms the basis for condition services. The digital services focus on maintenance management that is precisely tailored to your production process, with services such as recording and visualizing condition data, regular reporting, and recommended courses of action.